In the last 18 months, a quiet group of people, most of them ordinary, not Wall Street insiders, have been using AI to generate income in ways that didn't exist 2 years ago. We're not talking about getting lucky with a stock. We're talking about systems, repeatable, scalable systems that run on artificial intelligence. Some are making a few $100s a month. Others have crossed six figures. And the wild part? Most of them started with nothing but a laptop and a free AI account. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how they're doing it, the specific methods, the tools, and most importantly, what you can do starting today to get in on this before the window closes. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about why 2026 specifically is such a unique moment. AI crossed a critical threshold in the last 2 years. It stopped being a novelty, a party trick, and became genuinely useful for producing real economic output. Writing, coding, designing, analyzing data, automating workflows. AI can now do all of it at a level that's good enough to charge money for. But here's the thing most people miss. There's always a gap between when a technology becomes powerful and when the average person figures out how to monetize it. Right now, we are inside that gap. Think about it like this. When the internet launched in the early 90s, the people who got rich weren't necessarily the smartest. They were the earliest, the ones who figured out that you could sell things online before everyone else did. AI is at that same inflection point right now. The tools are mature enough to use. Most people still haven't figured out how to use them to make money. That gap, right there, is your opportunity. So let's talk about the specific ways people are capitalizing on it. Method 1. AI-powered freelancing. This is the fastest path for most people. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are full of businesses paying $200, $500, even $1,000 for content, blog posts, video scripts, ad copy, social media. They don't care how you write it. They care that it's good and delivered on time. What's changed is that AI can now produce a solid first draft in under 60 seconds. A freelancer who used to take 3 hours to write one article can now deliver 5 in the same time. That's not just more money per hour. That's a fundamentally different business model. People are quietly running what I'd call one-person content agencies, landing $2,000 to $5,000 per month in contracts and using Claude or ChatGPT to do the heavy lifting. Their only real job is quality control and client relationships. Method 2. Method number 2. Selling AI-generated digital products. Here's one that most people completely overlook. Platforms like Etsy and Gumroad let anyone sell digital downloads. Ebooks, templates, planners, guides, prompt packs. No inventory, no shipping. Someone buys it, they download it, you get paid. AI makes it possible to create an entire product in an afternoon. A personal finance ebook, a business plan template, a set of ChatGPT prompts for entrepreneurs. Things people genuinely want and are willing to pay $10 to $30 for. One product that sells 10 times a day is $300 per month, passively. Build 5 of those and you're at $1,500 a month without doing any additional work. The math compounds fast. Method number 3, and this one has the highest ceiling, AI automation for businesses. Businesses are drowning in repetitive tasks, responding to emails, generating reports, managing customer inquiries, sorting data, and right now, they will pay serious money to anyone who can set up an AI system that handles it for them. Using tools like Make, Zapier, and AI APIs, people are building custom automations and charging $1,000 to $5,000 per build, plus monthly retainers to maintain them. No traditional coding required, just an understanding of how to connect tools together. One person, one client, one automation. That can be a $2,000 payday in a single week. Shift to the investing angle. This is core to Intelliwealth's identity. Now let's talk about the investing side, because AI isn't just helping people make money. It's changing how money is managed at every level of the financial world. Over 70% of all stock trades today are executed by algorithms, not humans, machines. And increasingly, those machines are powered by AI that can analyze more data in a second than a human analyst could in a lifetime. For everyday investors, this has created two opportunities. The first is using AI tools to make smarter investment decisions. Platforms like Magnify and Composer let you build AI-assisted portfolios, analyzing patterns, managing risk, rebalancing automatically. Things that used to require a financial advisor are now accessible to anyone with a smartphone. The second opportunity is investing in AI itself. Not just the obvious names like NVIDIA, but the infrastructure, the data centers, the chip manufacturers, the enterprise software companies quietly embedding AI into every product they sell. The picks and shovels play, as investors call it. We'll do dedicated deep dives on all of these in upcoming videos. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss those. So, what do you actually do with all of this? Here's the honest truth. The people making real money with AI right now aren't smarter than you. They're not more talented. They just started earlier and they took action instead of just consuming information. So let me give you 3 things you can do in the next 24 hours. 1, pick one method from this video and commit to it for 30 days. Freelancing, digital products, automation. Just one. Spreading your focus across all 3 is how people end up doing none of them. 2, spend 1 hour with a free AI tool today, not reading about it, actually using it. Give Claude or ChatGPT a real task related to the method you chose. See what it produces. You'll be surprised how capable these tools already are. 3, track the market. Pay attention to which companies are announcing AI integrations, which sectors are growing because of AI, and which ones are shrinking. That information is free. Acting on it is where the money is made. The window right now is genuinely open. It won't stay open forever. The people who move in the next 6 to 12 months are going to look back at this period the same way early internet entrepreneurs look back at 1996. That's it for today's video. If this was useful, the single best thing you can do is subscribe, because every video on this channel is going to build on what you learned today. Next video, I'm breaking down the 5 AI tools that are actually worth paying for and the ones that are completely overhyped. That one is going to save you a lot of money and time, so don't miss it. And if you've already started using AI to make money, I want to hear about it. Drop it in the comments. What's working for you? See you in the next one.